In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookies alert in Blogger. If you want to display a simple cookie notice on your Blogger site, this is a quick and beginner-friendly way to do it. We'll be using a built-in gadget area inside Blogger, which means you won't need to edit your theme files directly. That makes this method easier to manage later, especially if you want to update or remove the alert without digging through code. Start by signing into your Blogger dashboard and opening the blog where you want the cookie alert to appear. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Layout section. This is where Blogger lets you control the visible structure of your site, including sidebars, footers, and other widget-ready areas. In the Layout page, look for an Add a Gadget option. You can click this in any footer section or sidebar area depending on where you want the cookie alert code to live. In many cases, a footer or sidebar gadget works well because it's easy to place and manage from the layout editor. The exact position may vary depending on your Blogger theme, but the process stays the same. After clicking Add a Gadget, a window will appear with different gadget types. From that list, choose the HTML JavaScript gadget. This option is used whenever you want to insert custom code, scripts, or embedded content into your Blogger site. Next, paste your cookie alert code into the content box. Make sure the full code is copied correctly before saving. If the code includes both HTML and JavaScript, it should all go into that same content area. It's a good idea to double-check for missing characters or incomplete lines because even a small mistake can prevent the alert from showing properly. Once the code is in place, click Save. After that, save your layout if Blogger prompts you to do so. Then visit your blog and refresh the page to confirm that the cookie alert appears as expected. If you don't see it right away, try clearing your browser cache or opening the site in a private or incognito window, since cookie notices sometimes behave differently after they've already been accepted in a previous session. That's it. By adding the code through an HTML JavaScript gadget in the layout section, you can quickly place a cookie alert on your Blogger site without modifying the core theme. This is a simple approach that works well for most users and keeps everything easy to update later.